Hello, so today we are in Jardín and we're doing a tour to see some cascadas. Let's go. Here you can see it's a banana farm. So we are walking up. It's very not easy, very slippery, and we are a bit tired. But I mean, it's worth it. Look at this beautiful view we have.
Ah, c'est vraiment dur, hein.
Oh merde. Mais je sais tellement mouillé. Frérot, t'es mort. Oh, hello and welcome to Salento. Today we are doing a trip about 10 kilometers around this mountain you can see right there. So we're doing the 12-kilometer loop and there will be waterfalls.
Soldat repos. Let's go to this side.
So here we are in a protected area and we have to take care of the nature, of la fauna e la flora. We arrived at the cascada, it's beautiful. My cameraman is oh putain!
You see, hein, you see.
If you slide, you are directly on the water.
In the water! In the water!
No water. Water.
In the water!
Water.
So we are here in a colibri park. We are at the highest point at 1,800 meters altitude. A lot of colibris here. You will see I did some good pictures. And let's go for the rest of the walk. We have between 1 and 2 hours. So let's go. But now it's going down. It's raining.
Non. Il pleut, berger. Ah, regarde, c'est palmier là. C'est la fameuse place avec les palmiers. Voilà, c'est comme ça qu'on doit rentrer à la case. On a évité à peu près 1 heure de queue, juste en venant ici en haut. Voilà.